Man United versus VAR. Let's talk about it. What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel, fam. Hey, listen. Man United has been shit this season. Very much so. Yesterday, I didn't see the first 5 minutes of the game because I just got back from playing football. And I missed Rasmus' first goal. Saw all the other goals. Disappointed with the results. Very much disappointed because, again, Manchester United has been shit. But today, we're not going to talk about the game. We will be talking about VAR. So grab your popcorn, get some juice, get ready, because this will be integral to how we think about English football in today's day and age. But what's important, make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there if you're brand new. Referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. All right. So yesterday after watching the game, I was utterly mad, upset that I wasn't even talking about Tottenham's game, because Manchester United yesterday showed me how good we can be and how horrible we can be at the same time. There's a lot of build-up to be done in this team. I'm not talking about Erik ten Hag. I don't even want to talk about the players. I really want to talk about VAR and how VAR has robbed us multiple times in multiple games. Now, as I said earlier and I said previously, Manchester United has been shit. But in majority of those games, VAR has either stolen a goal from us or robbed us a goal in every single occasion. I'm going to show you today how Manchester City got a goal against Manchester United, a penalty for grabbing Rasmus Allen, grabbing the midfielder on his side, Rodri, on his side, pulling him down, apparently. But when Udogo held on to Garnacho, basically lift him up off the ground, threw him back down with both hands on his hip, holding him down, they said that is not a penalty. I'm going to show you how that Argentinian freight train in the game against Manchester United in over at Tottenham handled the ball in the box, and they said it's too close. It's too close to give him a penalty. In the following game, he handled the ball again in the box, same distance, penalty. But against Manchester United, again, Garnacho, foul Garnacho, Udogo, foul Garnacho, no penalty. It's amazing to me how Manchester United keep getting the bad end of the stick for VAR in every situation. No, I don't know about other teams and how you guys see other teams and how their decisions that be made. But for me, for Manchester United, as a Manchester United fans, we need to call this out on a regular basis because it needs to be stopped. I mean, because Erik ten Hag is not fluent in English, he's not be able to shout as loud as others, but we need to call it out as fans. It needs to stop. It absolutely needs to stop. I want you guys to listen to this video real quick. Listen to this video and tell me what you think. Listen to this video.
It's no doubting Ten Hag thought it was. What do you think? This is Garnacho. Thinking he's been pulled down by Udogi. Enough there, Dermot?
I didn't think so, but what I would say is you should, as a defender, why would you do this? He doesn't have to do that, does he? Is he fairly formal? But it just doesn't look right, does it?
Got two arms around him.
So why is it not then? I just think he's got hold of him, making contact. I don't think he's pulled him down. He's certainly not.
He doesn't pull him down, he picks him up.
Yeah.
He's certainly not putting down. I'd have been really surprised if the penalty was given.
A few moments later.
Let's have a look at the incident. Rasmus Højlund, judged to have held Rodri in the box. Right. Correct decision, Dermot.
Difficult to say it's not a foul. What people ask is how many we're going to give now if you see this given. I think you look at that, you can't say it's not a foul. As I say, the problem's going to be is that going to be given week in, week out? But it is a foul.
Okay, consistency is what we asked for, Dermot. Not much to ask for, is it?
Can't say it's not a foul. 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 Can't say it's not a foul.
Now you tell me, how do you see Rodri getting pulled down in the box by Rasmus? Just his arm around his shoulder. I've seen so much worse in the penalty box and not a foul, but just his arm around his hip, like him a dance, like him a do a dance or rave, and then call penalty and that. But you cannot see that he's holding on to the man, picking up off the floor and telling me that's not a foul. And then before he said, why would you do that? He's not going anywhere. Why would you pick him up? But that's not a penalty. I know what it is, fam. I'm going to tell you what it is. The reason why, and this referee, Pumnal, whatever the guy is who's representing referees on Sky Sports, the reason why he's not going to tell you the truth, but I will. The Referee Association has given VAR the license to make sure that whenever they make on-field decisions on the field, if it's not clear and obvious, they will not look at it. One way or the other, they will not look at it. They want to give the referee more freedoms, right? Which more freedom doesn't mean that you don't have authority over the game. You're the referee. You're running the game. No, they want to give referee more freedom because they have VAR as a means of backup to say your decision was wrong, so we're gonna fix it for you. They don't have this VAR as a means to say your decision wasn't wrong, but you know we need to use VAR as a means to make it correct because referees are not perfect, and we know that. But the English FA and the VAR and Referee Association wants to think that they are perfect. So when there's a handball in the box, that's quite obvious. They'll give that. But if it's a penalty that the referee didn't call, they won't look back at it again. If it's a call that should have been called and didn't call, the referee won't look back at it again. If it was a foul and they didn't give a foul, referee will not call it back again. Why? Because the referee working together say, listen, me, I'm not gonna give you no opportunity for ref the game fair. You make the decision, you live with it. I'm not going to take that blame. That is complete and utterly wrong. And I think that we should call it out on a daily fucking basis to let them know that it's wrong. Manchester United has lost multiple points this year because of that. But again, don't get me wrong, Manchester United has been shit this season. Absolute shit. No questions asked. No qualms about that. But VAR, stop fucking up Manchester United fans. People, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there for brand new. Bless up yourself. Bless up others. Manaz.